Yo, back with some more Lowheat today. Just got in a couple pairs of new Adidas human-made collabs. I got a hit on these from Extra Butter, both pairs. These are specifically the Tokio Solar human-made Adidas sneakers. Whoa, they come in this dope canvas bag. That's cool. I didn't know they're gonna come in this. That's kind of sick. Anyways, these shoes just came out late September, and they are Nigo's take on a 1964 Adidas trainer that were made for the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. And so this is his take on those. Obviously, the Olympics were supposed to take place this summer in Tokyo, and due to COVID, it never happened. It's being postponed, and so it makes sense. A lot of shoes were supposed to, and apparel collections were supposed to come out in conjunction with the Olympics, and unfortunately, obviously, the Olympics were postponed, and now they've had to, either put out the collections or delay putting out the collections, and so you kind of have to put out the product if you got it. And these, I think, are just sick. There's been a number of Nigo collaborations with Adidas, and I've held off. I've liked some, but these, when these came out, and the ad campaign with the it just I like trainers. I like low profile shoes. I mean, I like obviously high tops, but I really dig clean low top trainers or indoor soccer shoes, skate shoes, and these I think are just absolutely, these are pretty fire. So he also did a Stan Smith-esque Velcro shoe as well for this capsule. But I don't have a pair of Stan Smiths yet. I've been waiting, and I was thinking about getting those. But just the Stan Smiths, to me, although a classic, they're just not me. So if they're not you, don't get them. Although I do like the Velcro vibe on that, the one he made. That's part of this collection. Let's open up these. I really love the white. I applied to both drawings for Extra Butter. Ended up getting both the white colorway and what you'll see here, the green colorway. Now I love white sneakers, but I have so many of them. I also like green as a color too. I don't have any like really green sneakers, so it'll be nice to have a pair of green sneakers to the collection. And this is a sick canvas tote bag. I really don't need any tote bags, so I never buy them, but everyone makes tote bags nowadays. It's like the thing. I have a million of them. You're given a million of them. You can only have so many tote bags. But this is a really nice one. So might be chucking a bunch, and I'll be using these in the future. These are pretty awesome. Pretty sick. Okay, let's see here. Whoa. Now, yeah. See, don't have any green sneakers, and I really like green, so this will be great to have in the collection. It'll be interesting, this heel tab here. It's got the human-made logo on it. It's really high, but it's soft, so I don't think it will agitate anything. I don't know if this seems like boost material here. But I can't wait to put these on foot, see how they look and feel. Again, I didn't really need both pairs. I really preferred the whites, but I could use a green pair in the collection, so then I ended up hitting on both. I don't think these were highly sought. You can get these if you want right now for retail. They're available all over. So, but I definitely dig these. I think these are a good pair of Adidas trainers to have in the collection. It's cool that they were a collaboration with Nigo and Human Made. And yeah, I don't have any Nigo collabs, so I'm glad these, I finally got a pair. So yeah, let me know what you think. I dig these both.